We're going to take a look at a little falseta I wrote for Farruca that I think of as an intro. It wouldn't have to be an intro necessarily, but this is one of those falsetas that works kind of nicely if you play it slow, so in the middle of your Farruca it might not make as much sense. Anyway, here it is. So the right hand pattern in this is pretty consistent throughout most of it. And it's really P, I, M, I, A, M, I, M. Right, so let's try this on the first chord. The first chord's an A minor in this nice open position where we have open A, right? We have A at the 7th fret of the 4th string. We have C at the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And then open B here. And the arpeggio P, I, M, I, A, M, I, M. Right, so it's 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Da 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 da. P, I, M, I, A, M, I, M, P, I, M, I, A. And then this next chord, we're grabbing this. Right, so we've got open E, E here at the 7th fret of the 5th string, another B here at the, what is this, the 9th fret of the 4th string, and then at the 10th fret of the 3rd string, we have an F. So here it's a little bit different. Right, we start the same P, I, M, I, A, M, I, pull that pinky in 1 fret, and then sort of hit that. So, and you can do that with any finger really. The middle finger is a little stronger for me, but you could do P, I, M, I, A, M, I, A. And this one's, we're not playing the full, all the 16th notes, right? So once we move on, we're going to be playing this pattern pretty consistently, but here, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we move on to the next chord, which looks a lot like a D minor 7, but we're not barring. So we've got 5th fret, 5th string, 4th string, 7th fret, open 3rd string, 6th fret of the 2nd string, and open, right? And right, the full pattern. Now we move back to the same kind of thing at the 3rd fret, right? Open 3rd and 1st strings, and then we have 3rd fret, 5th fret, open 5th fret on the 2nd string with the pinky, and same thing. Da 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 doom. Now we move to this F, which we play a lot in Soleá. This F, we've got F, C, open 2nd string, and then A. Right, so 3rd fret, 5th fret, open 5th fret. And now we move back to an E triad. Right, so this is like a D shape. I just moved up here. And then we land, instead of the E in the bass, with the F on the bass to get that fun chord. From here, we come back to this F chord, and now we move back, so we're at fourth string, second fret, third string, fourth fret, open, second string, and then the first string, third fret. And then from here, we play this little scale. Right, so first string is third, first, open, second string is the same, and then third fret of the second string. So from here, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right, leave this finger here, add the index to the first fret of the first string. Now we're going to play the C in the bass and then keep our arpeggio on the top 3 strings. And strum a C major 7. Right, so we've got the C and we've got the E and then nothing else. Now we're going to play this chord, which is really this chord, a B minor 7/5. Right, so we're basically barring the 5th and the 3rd strings with the index. We've got the 3rd fret of the 4th string with the middle finger and the pinkies on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. And then E major. Right? I think I held it like this. And now on an A minor, we hit the bass note. Right? And instead of... Right? What we do for the scale is boom. Right? So we're just sort of rolling that first note. Instead of da 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 da, it's da 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 da. Right? So boom. Second string, 3, 1, 0. Third string, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Fourth string, 3, 2, 0. Fifth string, 3, 2, 0. Sixth string, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? So top 4 strings. And now on the E chord, 2, 3. So that end again. So just to review the chords here, we got this A minor, this E thing with the F, repeat. Now I've got this D sort of chord to the C, this F thing, and now we go to this E triad and then with the flat 9. The F there, back to this F chord, right, back to this, we have the little scale, then this D minor, to the C, B minor 7/5, E, A minor, to a little scale. And that's the whole thing. It's a nice little intro. You can throw it in anywhere really, and you could even double time it if you were playing the faster section of the Farruca, but I think of it as a more sort of lyrical, nice little intro kind of falseta.